Hey Science Seekers, another episode here. Today we're looking at snow. We're looking at snow in April, mid-April. It's definitely something that's not normal, right? And it doesn't happen all the time. And one thing in science that we do a lot is look at patterns. We analyze data and evidence going back as long as we can. So we're projected to get between 2 and 6 inches of snow today. The last time, in fact, the record for this date for the most amount of snowfall was 0.5 inches, and it was more than 7 decades ago for that record. So we're going to break that record today. We're going to have more snow than we ever had on this date, to date. That is a pattern. And when we look at that pattern, we can analyze it and see that there's certainly a change in our weather. And when we look at it from a more global perspective, we are going to look into something that we're going to call climate change. And climate change is a matter of changing the entire climate as a whole. And you can see that happening with the patterns that we're seeing. This is extreme weather. That's another term you might see. And yeah, it's an interesting thing. I encourage you all to investigate it more thoroughly and look at some of the data regarding weather and the patterns behind it. And this certainly is one thing that we learn about in 8th grade when we get into our human impacts unit. So there you go. And best of luck to you. Have a great day with your lessons today, kids.